If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. Like, Neil? From Teen Top Neil? No shot. Really? Oh, snaps? Snapcap Crackle Pops? What we going on here? In your space? Hey. What's Gucci, my guy? Oh. Okay, okay. Hey. Okay. Okay, let's go. Hey. Okay. Ooh. Hey. Get that dance. Ah, it's been a minute. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go, Neil. Lost in your space. Ooh. Okay. Thinking. I can't take it. Hey. Hey. Yeah, you gotta brush out, dust the shoulder off. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Ooh. Let's go. Yeah. Ooh, okay. And the dancer getting it too. A little body roll. I said, oh, what was that? The little, like that little body roll? They killing that. But I've been you that. But we lost it. Ooh. You know, it kind of looks like he's in a car commercial with that in front of that car dancing, but I know what it is. It's not. Unless it's a sponsor. That'd be crazy. Ooh. Ooh, a nice little stop too. Hey. You lost in my space. Hey. Oh, let's go, Neil. That shit smacks. That slaps right there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.